how to check DRC in OrCAD Capture and how it impacts when we import netlist. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to import netlist since it is perfect schematic, and later I will show that what will happen if we don't run DRC or we have any issue in schematic. So you can see that I have placed three parts and it is properly imported into Allegro. Done. Okay, I'm going to close it since there is no issue. So what possible issues are coming when we import? So two options are there: run physical and electrical. So downside physical and upside electrical. So select both. Electrical is some electrical issue. Physical means some physical connection or schematic symbol name reference. These all things comes. So I'll show that. So these are physical invalid reference, duplicate reference, missing footprint, are reporting unused reference in multiple parts. If you have multiple parts like we have, so if you miss any of them, either you either A or B, so it will show here. So you have to check, like I'm here, you can see that after running I cannot see any issue, but I'm going to give one name, duplicate name u1, and this one also u1, and I'm going to remove footprint name from this part. After save, I'm going to run DRC. Here you can see that reference u1 u2, and here option is giving u2 had different footprint name. So again you can see that into missing footprint option, so PCB footprint missing, and now I want to import it. Let's see, does it import? No, it will not import. So that is why you have to check, and here you can see that the problem in green color. What problem is? Other parts in this package have different value of footprint, so just use the same footprint. Okay, close it, and u1, u3. Okay, it is save. Again run DRC. Just double click. Now you can see that there is no error, and now I want to import it. Yes, it is done. There is no issue. So now this is how you can check your DRC in schematic, and how you can remove any of the problem. Whatever problem is coming, you can see here and you can resolve the issue. Okay.